One of the things that the founders of Ridge really felt was important was being up on a mountain setting like this. You just get that sort of concentration of mountain fruit, and 2025 is no exception. The color we're getting from our Cabernet and also from our Merlot, it's really amazing.
Monte Bello is a fantastically unique location to grow grapes. It's about the coolest climate you want to grow Cabernet in, and so we really have to be patient with these grapes. We're always typically 2, sometimes even 3 weeks behind other growing regions. So talking with colleagues in different growing regions, they're always astounded that we're so much further behind. It has been a start and stop harvest, so it's one of those vintages where we really need to be keen and on top of waiting at the correct moment to harvest these grapes for proper maturity.
Ir conociendo el vino desde que viene en la uva, tratarlo, es algo especial, es algo irlo viendo crecer, desarrollándose, pensar que en el futuro este vino va a estar en las mesas importantes, que gente muy importante lo va a gustar. Entonces eso me motiva a tratar el vino con la delicadeza que requiere.
My favorite part of this harvest is just the quality of help we have in the winery. Everyone's just been a joy to work with, so I feel like that's really what makes or breaks a harvest, is just the energy and the enthusiasm that people bring every day to work.